Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 7, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, let's open the settings application, and then you'll see here network and internet section. Click here to the internet, and to activate Wi-Fi we should click here only once on the switcher. After that we'll see here all the available networks here. For example, let's select this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, we should click here on this checkbox. Okay, I'll enter it out of screen. After that, we should click here to connect. So just wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, we can select here more networks, enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that we can find all of the networks previously connected in this saved networks section. We can switch between them. For example, if you have slow internet connection with the HardReset.Info, you can select the another Wi-Fi here. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, we can activate Wi-Fi just from notification banner shortcuts. Sure, you should just first open it, then click to the internet section. To activate Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher. Just wait a second. Now we can see here the networks here available. But if you want to see all settings, click here to see all, and we can see that I just launched the same network settings. So just to turn it off, by the same way, click on the switcher, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.